Hi. Hi, Zella. Hi, Zella. What you doing? What you doing? Hi. Oh, hello. Are you going to turn yourself around here? You're so strong, you can do it. Hi, Zella. Hi, baby girl. What you doing? I can't seem to keep you on your back anymore. You just immediately turn to your tummy. Right? That's right, cutie pie. What are you saying? What you saying to Mama? Can you say Mama? Can you say Mama? Hi, sweetheart. You've gotten yourself turned a little bit. I think you're going to be crawling. I think you're going to be crawling like way ahead of schedule. Yeah? It's hard work, isn't it? Oh, and it's lots of spit up time. Oh, yeah? Can't have a video without spit up, right?